gentlemen, the last thing we're going to do for you today is the one of my favorite dishes. It's, even though I don't eat it much anymore because of the weight and sugar and all that, but it's Fettuccine Alfredo. Not Fettuccine Alfredo done the North American way, but Fettuccine Alfredo done the actual European way, without 35% or 40% cream, okay, and all that, whatever else goes in there, that's supposed to be low fat. This is strictly just butter and olive oil with some parsley, a little bit of salt and pepper, some garlic, okay, and a little bit of chili flakes, and that's about it. So basically, you can cook your pasta well in advance. You can cook it the day before, 2 days before. Just make sure you use a good pasta. We prefer to use the Cecco, Barella, whatever you decide to use is fine. Just so you know, to get pasta cooked al dente, a dry pasta, anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. Once you put in a boiling water, throw some salt in there, it's anywhere between 12 and 15 minutes. You run it under cold water, you strain it, and you put some vegetable oil on it, you mix it up, you put it in a container, you seal it, put it in a fridge. It'll be good for 2, 3, 4 days for sure, okay? In a fridge, so you don't need to worry about it. When you need to make it, just pull it out of the fridge. Heat up your tomato sauce, heat up your pasta under hot running water, put it through a strainer, and mix it up, and there's your dinner. If you're doing meat sauce, the same thing. Just make your meat sauce, take your pasta, run it under hot water, strain it, and it's already ready. So it's easy to make these dinners. 15, 20 minutes, you're done. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take some olive oil, put it in a pan. We're gonna take some garlic, put it in a pan, a little salt and pepper, and we're gonna take the butter. So anyway, to get back to the Fettuccine Alfredo story, the Fettuccine Alfredo in Europe, 9 times out of 10 places, it's strictly butter, olive oil, garlic, parsley, Parmesan cheese, and chili flakes. No 35% cream, like it's here in North America. So once this starts bubbling and all the butter is melted, I wish you could smell this right now. We take a little chili flakes, put them in there. We take hot pasta. We toss that around. Take a little bit of chopped Italian parsley, a little bit more salt and pepper, and of course some good old grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Look at this. Now this, with a little bit of grilled lemon chicken, heavenly. Nothing better than this Sunday afternoon, or as some European people do it, midnight snack, totally, totally amazing. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy, and hope you enjoy the class. Thank you so much.